Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. This is the Longaberger Basket Challenge. The hosts are Shabby Meets Bling and the Painted Peach. Great ladies. Go check them out. Follow the playlist. Project number 1. So I have these little baskets. I got about 6 of them off eBay. And I thought I could do something with these little ones. So I have this decoupage paper that I got from Jami Ray Vintage. They've been doing some monthly member ones, and I've been subscribed to the member. So I get 4 papers every month, and he's been doing a lot of farm look ones, and I thought, oh, one of these with the barn in the back would be so cute. This paint, I'll put it in the descriptions. I've never used it before, but I liked it. It went on very nice and smooth and dried really well. I think I must have got it as a sample from somebody. It's, like I say, it's a paint I've never tried before, but I painted the basket this whole blue color. Now I'm using my liquid patina by DIY Paint and putting it down. And I'm making sure that my handles are even so I don't have it off kilter. Well, nice to see my old grayed head, huh? I just wish it'd go white, really pretty white. Instead it's just looking kind of And I'm covering the paper. Now I thought I'd do just a little wrap on the handle. Not a big wrap, just a little bit. And I'm just using some twine. Give it a little snip underneath, and I could put a little glue underneath, and you never see where it started. Oh, guess I wasn't done. Okay, there it's done. Oh, now I'm taking some DIY white wax. I thought, I'll give it a different look with the white wax instead of dark wax for a change. And I liked the way the white wax made it look. There you go. I don't use it that often, but I do like it. I love the wax. It's like butter. See how it tones down the paint a little bit. And I even did the handle. And just taking paper towels and rubbing a good deal of it off. I did the inside. When I painted the inside, I didn't give it a real thick coat. I did it kind of almost like a dry brush. You know, I had this cow I ordered in this farm animal set, and I thought I could fit a few in there, but I couldn't, so I'm putting the cow in there. I thought it would look so cute with the barn in the background. Oh, I'm trimming my fuzzies because I didn't have a lighter to burn them off. Now I got this different mosses in a pack from Walmart. So I'm putting some moss down around his feet. I don't know, do cows eat moss? He's just out there wandering in the field. Till it's time for him to go home and eat his hay. I guess it's not a he, it's a she. Oh, that was the end of that project. Oh no, it's not. I'm putting a hanger on the back. Thought I'd started on another one. Okay, I could not find my hammer. It's always in my drawer, and I looked and it wasn't there. I found it later today in a place it's not supposed to be. Sigh. Who else's family takes their stuff? So I put the hanger up, and here it is hanging on the wall. And it couldn't hang by the handle. It would have been kind of wonky off. Okay, now here I go on project number 2. This is another little basket I had. You can see it's pretty small, but it's got this wooden lid, and I thought that's really cute. So I'm just giving it a real good cleaning. And you can see the name on there. They always sign the bottom, put the stamp on and sign the bottom. So these are a bunch of molds I had all poured that I'd poured for a while ago, and I just wanted to see how they looked, and I'm pulling out different ones. I liked the lady's face, but I wanted it to be kind of fun and whimsical. The skeleton is nice, the Katrina. This one is 2 little kitties in a garden. So I decided the 2 little kitties in the garden would be just perfect. So this is the DIY paint. It's a new Cottage Core. The Cottage Core is different than the other DIY paint. The other one is clay-based paint, where this is a clay-based paint, but it's got a self-leveler and a sealer in it. So you don't have to seal it. It's good for transfers because then you don't forget to do a sealing and take the paint off. But it's in a pinkish color. I thought it'd be really cute and spring-like with the flowers. I ended up giving it 3 coats, but I wanted to go around the little leather hinge. And so I did real carefully. And I did underneath too. And I may be selling it on YouTube tonight. I'm going to go on my friend's page and put a bunch of things up for auction. This is Friday night, so you guys will be too late for the auction. If you ever see anything you're interested in, just give me a holler at my email address, which is in the descriptions or my about page, and I'll give you a good deal. So I can't keep everything. And here's a couple of transfers I found in a transfer book from IOD, Iron Orchid Designs. Just giving it a little rub on, and since I didn't have to seal it, it should stick down just perfect. If you miss a spot, just lay it down and rub it again. There. And I gave it just a little rub to seal it. Now this is, it's called Brown Sugar Glaze from Paint Couture. I'll put the name in the description. And I'm just putting the glaze all over the cat form after I painted it. And I went over the whole basket with the brown sugar glaze also. Excuse me. A tickle. Oh, hay fever. I just wipe it back. It just brings out all the details, especially in molds. If you just paint a mold, it's just still kind of flat, and you just need that shadowing in there to bring out the details. I'm putting some Type Bond glue on the back. You can see how cute the cat mold came out. And there they are, all done. Here's the basket. And here's the final reveal. And see how the glaze gave it just kind of a rich instead of that yellowish wicker color? Look, they're so cute. Remind me of some of my kitties I've had. I put a little bit of orange in that one to make it a little bit of a calico. Cute little girls. And here's the cow. I guess it was the Animal Longaberger Basket Day. You know, and I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate every watch I get. Hit that like and make a comment, and that helps the algorithm. I will see you again really soon.